Ben arrives on the bizarre forest space station to meet Snoke. Snoke's always been very fond of this place. It was originally built to hold back a great darkness, to create an oasis, which clearly did not work. Ben asks about the Knights of Ren. He could learn a lot from them, but Snoke doesn't think that they would be interested in Ben Solo. Ben had always hated that name. He was named after legends, and he had never even met Obi-Wan, and his father he saw as a fraud. Just then a droid tells Snoke about an incoming transmission from General Hux, and Ben questions this, but Snoke very quickly changes the subject back to the matter at hand, about Ben. He asks what Ben's true name is. The Knights will only let him join if he embraces his true self. Snoke was not born Snoke, he became Snoke. Ben confesses that he had come up with his true name when he was a child, but he found it rather silly now. Snoke implores that he must use that name to kill a part of himself. Someday beings will hear that name and see him. The Knights of Ren would be his first steps, but they don't take in the weak. Ben will have to find the Knights on his own, as a test to prove his worth. The price of admission would be steep. He must succeed to join or die.